The last progression event for the season on Rollercoin is now live and it's called Heyday. Let's check it out right here on That Techo guy. Stay tuned. Okay, so it's nearing the end of the season in just a few days and we have the last progression event of the season called Heyday. Let's check it out. So on my screen here you can see the game section of Rollercoin, and at the top you can see the banner Heyday here, and if we go into more details we can see the quests and the points that you can get for achieving those quests. So at the time of recording this video there is just shy of 2 days remaining for this event, which coincides with the end of the season. So this is the last progression event of the season. So on Wednesday is the last day that you will be able to complete the progression event, and you've got until 3 p.m. UTC time to be able to do that. The most powerful miner in this progression event is the cactus at 6.5 petahash per second. And we can see the quests here. When you get to a higher difficulty level in the game, you'll get 500 points. When you spend 1 RLT anywhere except in the marketplace, in the event pass, or in the crafting offer, you'll get 1,000 points. And when you spend 1 RLT in the marketplace, that's 100 points. When you spend 1 RLT for the event pass, that is 2,000 points for each and every RLT that you spend. And for spending 1 RLT for the crafting offer, that's 10,000 points, double from the typical 5,000 points for each and every RLT that you spend. And this again is without the multiplier. If you still haven't got the event pass, you can still purchase the season event pass for season 14 before the season ends, and you can pump up your chance at getting through this progression event much faster, especially if you have a multiplier. So again, I'd like to stress that you should use the discount. So there is a 35% discount going on right now for this event as well. Under the wallet section here, you can see there's 35% on BNB. There is also a form below this video in the description. When you select my name as your content creator, you will be in a chance of winning RLT. I will be given a budget from the Rollercoin team and I'll be able to distribute that budget to whoever wins, and actually to whoever deposits using That Techo guy as your favorite YouTuber in the form, and you'll be able to get some of that RLT. Obviously, if there's more than one of you that deposit under my name, then we can hold a little raffle, a little draw, and see who will get the budget. If there are 2 of you, we can split that 50-50 between 2. If there are more than 2, then obviously I will be holding a raffle, a little draw there to see who will get the budget, or we can divide that by 3, or I can divide it by 4, depending how many deposits come in, okay? So be sure that if you do make a deposit in BNB and then convert that to RLT, that you do select That Techo guy in the form below this video for your chance at winning some of that RLT. 35% discount means that you will be spending less of your crypto to get more RLT, meaning that you will be getting a higher multiplier here to get through this progression event even faster. Now, like I always like to do, I'm going to go through the list of rewards for this progression event and what you can get. So thank you to Piero for the list as usual. This is a 15 level progression event, and you can see all of the rewards right here. So starting at level 1, you get 0.1 RLT for 1,000 points. You also get RST in this progression event. You can see that at level 2, there's 100 RST, there's 250 RST at level 7, and there's 500 RST at level 9. That is totaling 850 RST. So you can use that RST before the season ends to open up a case, buy some parts to be able to merge some miners, or you can also buy one of those farmer miners to get some more power in your room as well. There's also some temporary bonus power here at 1 petahash at level 3 for 1 whole week. There's the Dragon Roller 16T, which will give you a 1% bonus regardless that the power of this 16 terahash miner isn't all that much. That 1% bonus is quite significant. Type Z at level 5 at 38 terahash with 1% bonus as well. The Lush, which is the rare edition of the Lush, at 165.37 terahash, 0.55% bonus for that one. And then we've got Serenity at level 8 with 206 terahash and 1.1% bonus. Candy Sweet 250 terahash and 4% bonus, quite significant there if you don't already have Candy Sweet, but if you do, you could always merge it into a more powerful miner to get more bonus power and a more powerful miner. Perfection, same thing, 400 terahash with 3% bonus. If you've already got it, merge it. The rare edition of Beast Bursting, 454.86 terahash with 2.18% bonus. Cozy Fables at level 13 with 682 terahash and a 5% bonus. That's pretty awesome. An American Dream 704 terahash with 4% bonus. And last but not least, the Cactus with 6.5 petahash and 6.5% bonus attached to it. All in all, for this event, you can get a total of 9.4 petahash in mining power with 28.39% miners bonus if you manage to get all of the rewards and place all of those miners in your room. And like I mentioned, you can get 850 RST, as you can see in the list here, and temporary power bonus of 1 petahash for 7 days. Remember, you've got until the 2nd of October, which is next Wednesday, until 3 p.m. UTC time, in order for you to be able to complete this progression event, which is the final progression event of the season. Last but not least, I'd like to mention that the multiplayer duration is 6 hours. So when you actually go here and you exchange some RLT, just for reference, I will do it now, and I'm going to exchange 1 RLT. I'm going to use Tron. I'm going to accept that and buy tokens, okay? So my multiplier changed to 1.1, so for each and every RLT, you're getting a 0.1 times multiplier, meaning for 10 RLT, you'll be getting a times 1 multiplier. So effectively, that would mean that if you spend 10 RLT, you will get a times 2 multiplier because we've got the times 1 by default. If I go to more details here now, you can see that I've got just shy of 6 hours remaining because I've just done it now. So 6 hours for the duration of the multiplayer for you to be able to complete more of the quests, to be able to play more of the games, open up more loot boxes at your own leisure within that 6 hour time period, which is awesome from the default 1 hour that there usually used to be for progression events, okay? So very cool. The last progression event, Heyday of season 14. Enjoy and good luck, and looking forward to season 15. I hope that you found this video useful. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below. Smash the like button and hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.